Check out this pre-owned 2015 Ram 2500 Laramie. This 4-door truck has a 6-cylinder, 6.7-liter i6 engine, with 4-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Ram has less than 141,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition, has glossy original paint, has no scratches, dents, or rust, and has been fully detailed. It has never been smoked in, was garage kept, has had all scheduled maintenance completed, and has been inspected by the dealer. Key features include front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, trailer hitch, and rear privacy glass. Shop by confidence. We have a biggest selection of used trucks for sale. Just check out our website on the Get Pre-Approved tab and get approved in 5 minutes. We also offer rates as low as 3.19% on approved credit, and can take all vehicles, paid for or not, on trade. Value your trade-in. More questions? Just call or text us at 281-377-9444.